the latest version of Autodesk BIM software with its installation and crack is here shortly, and after downloading it will create a file in your download folder and go in this. You will see the above folders. The lower one is what I extracted. You need to go on the ISO file and open it with WinRAR archiver. It will unzip your all files. It will open now WinRAR app. Oh, look here what I extracted, and then you need to extract all the files in some place where you prefer, and this file will generate. And in this file, firstly you need to click on the setup.exe. It will start the installation. This will take some time. After that, this interface will appear. Directly click on the agree button, and you don't need to read all those. You will now click on next button, and then again next, and the US English content for Revit. I think this will be enough for us. Click on the first box. Now click on install. The installation will take a bit time. I'll wait up to there. Installation will so complete as if time goes up, and you just now need to crack. So you need to go on the same file again, and there will be something like this. And you just need to go on crack folder, and you crack and just install the first. This is a patcher. This will crack your Revit. It will take some time. After that, it will show the crack installation is done. You can enjoy the Revit. It will take a bit of time. Keep passing. We are installing some. I think now is the time. Cracking complete. Enjoy. You can close this and delete the ISO files. This will take unnecessary space. Go on to the Autodesk starter. And search for Revit in your search box, or if you have shortcuts, I have Revit 2024. It will surely open. Let's wait. Yes, now select use network license. Gonna take some time since it's the very first time for this. Okay, now it's done. You can enjoy your tab. Thank you for watching up to here.